Hello, how are you all, and welcome to this first ever tutorial of journaling. Thank you for embarking with me on this beautiful journey of journaling. It is my pleasure to be with you throughout this year, or those who chose just for a month, to just share this wonderful habit which is called writing a diary or journaling. So today, as a first and the foremost tutorial, I am just going to acquaint you with some of the diaries that we usually get as a gift or in the market, so that it is not important at all to copy someone else's diary system, but it is also important to know what is available, so that you are at your pace, you are not totally unaware of what is there happening in the journaling space. All right, so this is my attempt to make you acquainted with what is there available, so that you can make a right choice. Now, as I have told that we get the diaries from our relatives, from the offices, from the organizations that we work with. So one of the organizations that gave me a long back a diary is this docket size docket type of a diary. What is a docket? Docket is nothing but this cover. So this is we can replace this docket with any of the diaries. So I can just take out any diary and put it here. So this is a docket type of a diary which you can carry. It is professional, it looks professional, and it is also very useful because you can carry your cards, your things here very well. So this is a diary which is not dated, and I have halfway through I have used it. So this is a typical diary that we get with some banks or some LIC places like that. So how do you schedule it? Based on this, I'll explain to you in a little while. This particular tutorial just to acquaint you with the type of diary. So this one is a docket type of a journal or a diary, which next time when you go for any purchasing a diary, you know that, oh, this type, this is a docket type diary. All right, so this is the first type that I wanted you to show. Then second is, this is a traveler's journal. This is a big traveler journal, which if you see, you can just see the difference. It has a leather cover and it has two different diaries attached together. There is a craft envelope here and a craft envelope at the back, and there are two different types of diaries. I wanted it to have a blank one so that I can do whatever with it, and there's another one blank here. So this is a traveler's journal. This is useful when you have a lot of craft material, you have a lot of paper, that to be included in it. If you are not a very crafty person, it's fine. You can also use this as a repository of your thoughts, repository of your whatever emotions you are going through that particular day. I use this as a replacement to that docket because it is almost getting over. This is the second type. Remember, this is a traveler's journal. All right. This is a tiny habits journal which I have got in 2020. I just wanted to show you. I'll just show October because I never used it later. So this is events, the plan, and this is the top 3 tasks, other tasks to do for the week, and habit tracker. I couldn't use it after a point because I felt that the space was very less for me to write. So this is a tiny habit journal which was very good, tiny change. And then you have these extra things to color. There is a graph paper and many more things. So I did not use it after a point, but I really wanted to. show it to you. This every end is the new beginning. Wow, that is the creative space. It is section 6. So you can also check the Tiny Change journal if you have time. It is a good journal to be used. So this is a dated one. Then you have a simple A5 journal, which is A6 journal. Sorry, this is a small one which you can just use it for your day-to-day to-do lists and all that if you want to have, and you can write any small things that you feel. This type of diaries are very handy if you want to quickly note down something without using your mobile phone. So I always keep one handy like this. Now comes the planner part. The planners are different than the journals because planner has a full view of your week or a year, wherein the journal is just to write whatever thoughts come to your way, whatever you want to write in it. It can include some quotes, it can include books, things related to books, it can include your shopping, what did you do, how did you feel at a particular place. But planner is something which helps you to look at your week on Sunday. So this is a planner which is called as Nourish, and this is from an atelier called Neura, and I don't know if I don't endorse them, but one of the best planners I have found lately, because I wanted to basically note down everything that I eat every day. So this is the best thing I could ever lay my hands on. So there's a shopping list, food list, every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and there's a grocery list. It goes on like this across. So plenty of place to write, plenty of place to to track down your own stuff if you are a nutrition or fitness enthusiast. Best thing that has happened to me, and it is not dated, right? The next thing is another diary from the same place called Neura. These are accomplished petite planners. These are available on Amazon or on their own website as well, but this is not an endorsing video, so just don't mistake me for that. And this is one of the best things that I felt like having, because it has a lot of stuff. It has, first of all, the weekly schedule place where you can just schedule your whole week, and then you can just elaborate it here in these sections. So, and then if you at all you want to write about Monday, you can have special notes. So this I found very nice, and the paper is also fantastic. If you can write it with a ballpoint pen, or you can write with a fountain pen. And at the end it has expense tracker sheet, it has notes, it has what are your passions, it has income and expenses. So I'm not a very income expense person, but still it's a wonderful addition to what I'm already doing. You have password, there's a password log, there's a date log, there are contacts to be written. So this is a planner section that I wanted to show you. One more is a nice study planner that I have. Not that I have brought them, it just happened that I laid my hands on these and they are very, very useful. This is a study planner which I bought for my daughter, and it's wonderful. So this is for that particular month, a look through, and then every week there's a weekly plan, and so this is a wonderful planner that I have got my hands on. The fantastic thing is it doesn't have dates, so that she can customize it as according to her requirement. So I felt this was really cool. Then there's an exam timetable, there's a monthly report, then there are some courses that she's doing, she can write it here, exam timetable, score, what are the mock tests that are coming up, what is the exam score, what are strengths, weaknesses. Even if she doesn't write in it, and even if she knows that things are like this, if she wants to plan, she can plan so meticulously. Half of my effort will be accomplished, right? So these are the 5 to 6 types of planner and journals that I showed you. Let me know if you liked, and also let me know what you want to see in the next video. Thank you so much. I enjoyed explaining all the journals and the systems to you. Just one last thing I want to tell you, that inculcating habits is not easy, because if everybody would have inculcated a great habit, everybody would have reached greatness. How you perceive it and how you keep at it is very important. So do everything you can to which helps you to stay in that habit for a while, at least for 21 days. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a great year ahead. Happy New Year.